Today we're going to be making homemade meatballs with some rice.
Yeah, almost right. Apart from we're going to be using meat in our meatballs. No. So veggie meatballs today, guys. And instead of serving it with pasta, we're going to have some rice and some veggies with it as well. We are going to do some nice veggie pasta sauce, or should I say hidden veggie pasta sauce. So don't tell the children that there's 5 different types of vegetables in there, okay? You didn't hear that, did you?
I didn't.
Oh. So obviously they're getting in all their vitamins and everything in there. And so why do we make our own pasta sauce?
Because it can, and the sauce that we buy contains lots of different bad sugars for your body.
Ah, she does listen after all. So when you buy a jar of pasta sauce, there's a load of sugar in them. It's actually one of the top ingredients, which is just insane. So this one has 7.9 grams of sugar in it. But sneakily at the top, that's per quarter of a jar. So yeah, that's really quite high. I did do the maths earlier because I'm rubbish at maths. So it's 31.6 grams of sugar in there. And in case you're wondering what that looks like, it looks like this. That's 31.6 grams of sugar. That's quite a lot. I wouldn't give that to my kids, let alone in their dinner. So that is why we make our pasta sauce, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Mummy gets on your case, doesn't she, about sugar?
Just like a sugar police.
The sugar police. Yeah. So we're going to make our sauce. It might seem a bit long-winded, but if you batch it, then you can freeze it. Actually, it's really good to be frozen. And we're also going to make our meatballs. And yeah, good. So ready?
Let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
Now that we've made the meatballs, we're going to move on to the pasta sauce. So the sauce is on.
Emily's cooking, and we're going to be serving them with some rice and some steamed broccoli. So we're just waiting for that to cook now. Hey mambo,
Italiano,
hey mambo,
Italiano,
hey mambo,
Italiano,
hey mambo.
Italiano. So the rice is cooked and the sauce is on the stove. It's all ready to go.
We're ready to go. I'll get the meatballs out instead.
The meatballs are ready.
Yeah.
Time to serve.
Hot, hot, hot. So let's dish it up. I'm going to put some rice in there. Perfect. That's it, is that enough? I don't think you'll eat much more than that. No, you want more? Okay, hungry.
Stop trying to eat me with that thing.
Right, how many balls do you want? Two? Two? One. Two meatballs for me. Have three. Go on, one more. Just a good round number. What are you doing?
What?
Put this together because we've got to make room for this as well.
Remember on it.
Careful, it's hot, hot, hot. No, it's going on your balls.
Oh.
Saucy sauce.
Hey, Mambo.
She's been singing that song all day. And then some broccoli. There you go. What are you doing?
Bring it that way.
Okay. And then do you want to show everyone? There we are. That's dinner. Not too much. Yum. Well done, Amelie. Another great recipe there. Well done.